right, so I have my square. Triple click the surface, select the move tool, click the option key, and pull a copy. Just move it over here to the left. Next, we're going to group this. So while it's triple clicked and selected, right click your mouse and say make group. Now we have a group. Now you can see across here, this is just a line because when I go in to edit the group, this is not here. So I'm going to pull 2 copies of this. I'm going to triple click it again, just one time. I'm going to pull another copy or second copy of this, click the option key, and pull a copy. Next, I'm going to push and pull this. I'm going to change my angle, and I'm going to turn on the perspective so it looks a little less wonky. And I'm going to pull this, both of these up 1/8 of an inch. But I can't do it. If I do the push-pull tool right now, it won't let me do it. That's because I have to be in edit mode. So push the space bar, triple click so that you're in the edit mode, and you know that because you see the dotted line box. Select the push-pull tool and pull up 1/8 of an inch. So type in 1/8 quotes for inches, and then close the box and do the same thing here. Select the surface, pull it up in the up direction. Might have to do that more than once, and type in 1/8 inches. And now we have the 2 pieces grouped and oriented in a way that we can use them. We want to put these 2 together. So what I'm going to suggest we do now is pull another 2 copies so we don't mess up these. Select and hold the shift key and click the other one. Then again with the move tool, click in the lower left hand corner, click the option key, and again pull a set of copies. Now these we're going to want to affect because we want to actually turn them into 3D and put them together so we can see what the design looks like. So while they're both selected, I'm going to select the rotation tool. I'm going to come in here in the lower bottom left corner. I'm going to click the right arrow, and if it's green, it's the left arrow. I'm going to click, drag the arm out. You could pull the arm this way too. And then click again and turn it 90 degrees and click enter to finish. Now I've got both of these standing up, but this one I need to flip around. So to do that, I want to grab the surface, click again to anchor it, pull the arm out parallel, and I know it's parallel because it's on the red. Oop. That happened because they were both selected, so I only want to do one. Click the rotate tool, make sure you click on a surface, and click, pull the arm out, click again, and rotate. And to do that, you're going to rotate 180 degrees. You can also type in 180 degrees. So now I've got the other one rotated, but now I need to turn it again. So I'm going to click the up arrow, put that on the top surface, click, pull the arm away, click again to anchor, and then turn it. Now I've got both of these so that they're perpendicular to each other. Next, I'm actually going to move these into place. The best way to use the move tool is to select a corner to a corner. So I'm going to select this corner here. I'm going to zoom out, and I'm just going to bring it to this corner here. Now I can double check the fit if I use X-ray mode. I'm seeing a little bit poking up here, so I'm going to go to View, go to Face Style, and click X-ray, and I'm going to zoom in here, and you can see that there's a little bit of a space in there. So I'm going to click and I'm going to pull that down so it meets. And now things are looking a lot better. So I can turn off the X-ray mode, go down to face style, turn off X-ray mode, and there we have an idea of what our 3D piece is going to look like. What I'd like you to do is do all three of these things, make your modifications if you need to, and then upload this entire file, save it as File, Save As, call it 3D Square underscore your first and last name. And then select your folder and click Save. And then export a JPEG. So export 2D graphic, select JPEG, not PNG, and save it in the same file. Next, I'll print these out on the laser printer. If you have any questions, just ask.